Here we have the 16K0 HV battery from WECO. It is standing at 910 millimeters tall and at 482 width millimeters. So for this battery, we are able to scale up to 17 modules per cluster. It has 8,000 cycles, which means you will have 20 plus years of use from the battery. It has a 10-year warranty. And at installation, a HV box is required for connection terminals between the battery and the inverter. As per the weight, it stands at 116 kilogram per unit. This is a good battery for any commercial or industrial installations. And so if you are interested in getting this battery or the low voltage batteries from WECO, contact us at info@powerafricasolar.com or call us with the numbers below.